Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure MIUI is updated and you have VPN credentials ready. Open Settings, then Network and Internet. Tap VPN. If using a provider app, install it now from Play Store. Once done, choose Built-in Manual Setup or launch the provider app. For manual setup, select Add VPN Profile, name it clearly, pick the protocol, and paste server, username, and password. This fast start gets you connected without waiting for background updates or extra tools. Now you configure the connection details precisely. If manual, verify server address, protocol, DNS settings, and enable always-on VPN only if battery use is acceptable. If using the app, sign in, allow required permissions, and select a server region, then tap Connect. Make sure to test with a quick website that shows your IP to confirm the change. Once connected, check apps for region-locked content. Adjust protocol if speed or compatibility problems appear. WireGuard typically gives the best performance. Finish by validating the VPN. Open a browser or test site to confirm your IP and DNS have changed, and enable kill switch or leak protection if available. If the VPN won't connect, first switch protocol, then reboot the Xiaomi device. Next, reinstall the app or re-enter credentials carefully. Make sure battery optimization isn't blocking the VPN app. Once fixed, enable AutoConnect for trusted networks and monitor data use. If problems persist, contact provider support with logs and exact error messages for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.